Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Anil Ganpatrao Gache, Head Department of Physics, Vasantrao Naik College, Vasarne, Nanded. My roll number is 3. Today, I am going to explain the property of the fluids. The fluids are nothing but the liquid and gases. It is common experience that the water flows faster than the glycerin on the rigid surface. It is considered that the liquids and gases consist large number of molecules and these molecules are arranged at different layers. The molecules which are present in the contact of rigid supports has the zero velocity and the molecules which are present in the upper layer has the large or say more velocities. When the large velocities molecule collide with the small velocity, the small velocity molecules get accelerated and at the same time when the small velocity molecules low velocity molecules strike with the large or more velocity molecules at the same time there is some friction is takes place and that force is called as the dragging force. This force is responsible for the viscosity. This force, that is the dragging force, is depends upon the three factors. One factor is force is directly proportional to the velocity having negative sign. This negative sign indicates that there is a opposing property between the force and the velocity. Next, force is directly proportional to the area. As the area increases, the force increases. And next property, that force is directly inversely proportional to the distance between the two layers, that is y. So if we combine these three equations, then we get F is directly proportional to minus A into V divided by Y. But V is very small, so therefore that V changes to dV and Y is also small, then Y changes to dy. So therefore this proportionality constant can be replaced by a constant say eta. So therefore the equation becomes F equal to N, that is eta, into A into dV by dy. So therefore eta equal to F divided by A into dV by dy. So from this equation we can find out the coefficient of viscosity and can be defined as force per unit area to maintain the unit velocity gradient. The unit velocity gradient or velocity gradient is defined as the rate of change of velocity with respect to the distance. This velocity gradient is different at different places. So therefore the coefficient of viscosity is defined as the force per unit area to maintain the velocity gradient. Now the viscosity of the fluids is independent of temperature. Such type of substances which has same viscosity as the temperature increases such type of oil or lubricants are used in the machines. Thank you very much.